Hey guys, welcome back to Fidget Trick Shots. In this episode, we're doing fidget spinners. Oh! So in this trick shot, I'm gonna get this fidget spinner into that cup. Ready? Oh! Oh! Look! Oh! This is Kangaroo Fidget Spinner Trick Shots. Let's go! Welcome back to another trick shot. In this trick shot, I'm gonna throw this fidget spinner, and Kaden has to catch it. Ready? Set, go! Whoa! Oh! 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 So in this next trick shot, we're gonna throw this fidget spinner through that tree. Okay, ready? Whoa! Oh my God! No way! We did it! Woo! Okay, there's no cut here. We're gonna go to the next trick shot.
This is all one take.
I'm gonna get this into the mailbox. Ready? Set. We're gonna cut it.
Oh, we gotta cut it?
We're gonna cut it? Okay.
We gotta cut it? Yeah, we're gonna do that.
We're gonna cut it, okay?
Yeah, okay. Cool. I'll just...
Editor, make sure you cut this out.
Yeah, make sure you cut it out.
Cool.
Okay. And then,
fine.
Okay, then,
Oh my gosh! What? How did we do that? Oh my gosh, I can't believe. How did we do it?
we're trying to film.
Now, we're gonna take this fidget spinner. Let's throw it. I'm gonna catch it in my mouth. Ready?
Yeah.
Set.
Oh, dude, what happened? Dude, what happened? Dude, what happened?
Make sure no one gets in.
Where'd he go? What happened? What happened?
Oh, I got my teeth everywhere. Look at that. I'm still not ketchup. Oh.
What happened?
Oh, that hurt so much. Guys, this is the dangers of doing trick shots. Oh. Look at all that blood. It's everywhere. Oh, that's horrible.
Hey.
This is why you need to watch out for trick shots.
Don't play with fidget
Don't
spinners.
play with fidget spinners.
Don't do it.
This has been KG Trick Shots. Tune in next time.
Just stay drugs.
That was
Don't
really,
do drugs.
Don't do drugs. That was really stupid. Smoke all the alcohol.
Stay in school. Do you question our life choices?
I got blood stuff. I got blood on my shirt.
Oh no. How are you gonna go to the movies like that?
Oh, I'm dying.